Bottling up our feelings as a people pleaser is very, very common. What I want to do is help you understand that, wow, of course you were going to be the bad guy. I was the bad guy in their story. And it's not just because I had changed my ideas and decided I wasn't going to do anything that they wanted me to do anymore. It was because how I delivered the message. I was so angry and frustrated with them not considering me time after time that when I finally talked about my experience with them, finally talked about what I wanted to be different, I said a whole lot of stuff that was hurtful. And of course, I'd be the bad person to them. Of course, on their side, they would be like, well, you know what? They did all the things before. Why today are they so upset? Doesn't make any sense. They're so confused and they're so lost. So if you want to make a more meaningful connection with people, start talking about those little things that happen every single time that they happen.